Well, time to repot this beast. It's a rainy day here. Might change the angle, not sure. This box is so heavy. My guess is, so it's time to repot this. It's just too thick. I want something more elegant. My guess is that the roots are coming way over here. That's why I have it in this box. So I'm gonna have to try to kind of bring it back a bit to make it fit one of my pots. But after repotting that last maple, had such good roots. I'm excited to get to this one and see what I find. Oh, got it out in, nice roots, really happy. Managed to cut the big ones back, clean it all up, bunch of rocks in there, had a lot of the natural soil in there, and so it's nice to get into something new and just tease out all the roots and, you know, get them all sorted out, I guess. This was the original front I had, and I really loved this bridge and this sort of gnarly piece. There was a deadwood there, and I cut that back so you could see more of this. But as I was looking at it, I decided, and I went back and forth, I've actually decided on this as the new front. You know, it's what I really wanted to get was this nice bridge here. And I kind of got it, and then this nice root flare. I found this bigger root flare, kind of grips it. You know, so there's different angles. This one kind of comes down, you really get this, but this isn't so nice. It kind of loops back. You know, maybe some point something like that. You can see up in the hollow. But you know, you start to lose the base of it. So I kind of ended up going with this. We'll see. Luckily, the exact opposite is where I had it before. Now, this angle, the tree's a little bit forward in the pot, mostly because it just swoops forward with this much of mass. So it kind of almost feels like it's too far forward. So eventually I'll push it back. And then, you know, last year was kind of just a canopy, and again, it'll probably be that, but I did kind of want to make this smaller, and maybe at some point this could be a bigger, you know, like 2 trees. Bird's nest spruce. I have a video of me styling this, I think twice actually. Yep, and there's the container I'm hoping to stick it into. We'll see. I'll get it out and start working the roots. I don't know. God, this is the angle a little bit more here. Yeah. Okay. Roots are looking pretty good. Put it all the way on the bottom, so we'll see how much top I can take off. There is a big root here. Yeah. So it looks great in the container. I started building some with a little bit more of a lip here, and I kind of like that. They're my more recent ones. Yeah, just love seeing the tree in the container. You know, this was just such a problem. I wanted to take this off and go deeper. I think it had too many roots on it. Maybe in the future, and you know, I mean, the problem is it kind of crosses back over, right? And so I've hid that a bit, and I've tried to kind of, I didn't want it coming out flat, so I've tilted it a bit so that it angles. And then it kind of comes out here. So, you know, that's what you get when you have a nursery stock tree to start with. You have to deal with these problems. But yeah, maybe one day I can chop that. That'd be nice. Yeah, and so I also kind of took off a little bit of a knob there, just to reduce the taper a bit through that section. Looking great though. You know, it's gonna fill out a bunch. I don't love this. You see this sort of looks straight there, especially in there. Different angles, it kind of gets hidden. But as it fills out, I mean, there are so many little buds, just buds everywhere. So it's just gonna fill right out, and I'm just gonna have to hold it back a lot. Again, it would be nice to have a character branch or something, because right now it's gonna just be like a dense bunch of foliage on top, which is okay, and it's got this strange, like I said, this strange root. So, you know, we'll see. I do like the tree. I think it's great, and I'll give you an update when it flushes out and what it looks like. But man, just putting them in a container is so nice compared to those black pots. Just kind of elevates the tree.